Finding the circumference of a circle. Pause the video and write down how to find the circumference of a circle. Well, to find the circumference of a circle, what you have to do is multiply the diameter by pi. So let me explain first of all what pi is. Pi is a long irrational number. This is it written out in full. We would normally just use 3.14 if we have to round to 2dp, or use the pi button on the calculator. So that symbol there is called pi. So to work out the circumference, what you do is you get the diameter and you multiply it by pi. So the circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Pause the video and have a go at example 1 and 2. Okay, example 1. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 20 centimeters. So to find the circumference, we can write down the formula. C equals pi d. We then, in this question, know that the diameter is 20, so that would be pi times 20. When you put in pi times 20 in the calculator, it's just going to tell you that it's 20 pi, which is not very useful. Hit the SD button and give your answer to 3 significant figures. In this case, that would be 62.8. Circumference is a distance, a length, so it would be centimeters. Example 2. Find the circumference of the circle. Again, we're finding circumference, and the formula to find circumference is pi d. So C equals pi multiplied by, what is d? Well, we're given in the question this distance here, which is half of the diameter. It's the radius. So the diameter is going to be double that length, which will be 10. So that will give you pi times 10. In the calculator, it goes and you get 31.4 to 3 significant figures, again in centimeters.